This is the Vera cotton hanging travel organizer. Lovely blue print here, floral. It ties at the top, just a little tie. There are no external pockets. And then it unfolds into this, and you have the hanging part right here where you can hang this when you travel. It has a large zippered compartment. Then it has these two clear compartments that are washable, like for liquids or toiletries, shampoo, things like that. Then you have a large pocket here at the bottom for more makeup. It's also got the vinyl liner that can be washed out. So it folds up. It's really compact, really nice quality, and then you can tie it to keep it closed, and has two hanging straps at the top. Logo on the front. Great little travel compartment.